I don't know your tradition. If you two of you can just show some sign of love, just hugging. Is it allowed? Okay, okay. I can hug myself. Viewers, close eye, close eye. Viewers, close eye. I can hug myself. Oh, nice. This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorothy Awilo. Like, share, comment, follow, subscribe, repost. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today, I picked two people and they have been on my TM since as they are searching for true love. So today, I don't pick two of them. Um, Let them see each other. If the marriage work, it work. If it don't work, everybody find his way. Viewers, let's go. Pretty lady, can I know your name?
My name is Sandra.
Sandra, nice name. What type of man you dey expect?
Actually, I need a guy that is tall, no matter slim, not that. Let him be okay, not fat. Then with a little beard, not the one that is full of just normal beard. Just like that, a decent guy that is okay for me. Any
Okay, viewers, I know you're waiting Sandra talk abi. Okay, whether na two face okay. Handsome baba, can I know your name?
Ayomide.
Ayomide, e be like you Ayo don come today. Okay, what side of lady you dey expect?
Well, may dey moderate, like may sha dey okay for me sha.
Viewers, na know you're waiting Ayomide talk. Make sure dey okay for me, sha. Okay, count to 1 to 3, two of you will turn to see each other. Let's go. Viewers, are you dey connected? 1, 2, 3. Ka. Omo, this way 12 dey na make I no confuse me. This way 12 na dey smile like this. Okay, do you like wetin you see?
Yes.
No doubt, yes. Do you like wetin you see?
yeah,
Ah, okay, Ayomide. Let's do that. Let's do that. Wait, if you want to read this beautiful angel, Sandra, 1 to 10, wetin you go give am?
1,000 over 100.
1,000 over 100. See love. Love wey me I dey find since wey dey form me, I never see. Okay, nice one. Sandra, if you want to rate this Ayomide, this handsome boy here, 1 to 10, wetin you go give am?
100%.
100%. Hear that voice. Sandra, use love word. 100%. Oh! Dorothy Awilo, you don't make am for life. I beg. When I fry me out too. Okay. You like Sandra or you are just killing us? You like Sandra really?
Yeah. She's okay.
She's okay.
Yes, she's perfect.
But when they do phone chats with me, you say you like me, you like breast. But this one Sandra come with the tradition, like you not just say anything, nothing they out, and you say you fall in love with her.
Yes, now I like girl with the being in self, like main day in self gon go. Not be the one we go form for me. For come finish, go change.
Wow, Sandra, you're a lucky girl. Like this kind of man, they know the market again. Or it be like the last one, Sandra don't pick so. Okay, Sandra. Uh, on the phone chat, you say you like tall guys, handsome, girl, yes, not too much beard. And you even say it freestyle now. But this guy is not with yes, but how come you fall in love with him? Easy.
It's okay to me. That is the kind of guy I'm looking for. Even though the guy don't have beard, but I'm okay with him like that. I just like him like that. I'm okay with him like that.
Hey,
That was guy I want.
no matter who you are, they see your spell. Those people who say love no dey exist, love still dey exist too. Contact me, love still dey exist. Okay, men and draw closer. So you are if it Ayomide say he want to go with you now, you are okay.
Yeah,
Like two of you can start dating.
yeah,
Okay. Ayomide, you are not killing us. You are okay with Sandra.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, two of you feel change contact. Okay, men are changing our contact. Hey, love. I dey find love sis. Okay, okay. You just give him your number. You understand? Hmm. I know they see love, love dey. Oh. Contact me, love dey. Wow! See wetin I dey see. Na I no dey see wetin I dey see. Oh my God! Which time my own turn go reach like this? Wey I go see person wey go love me. Even I cover myself. Wait. Oh, Ayomide.
Yeah.
There's a something I want to say here. You understand? We talk on WhatsApp to go through your profile, even on Facebook. I check your pictures. There's a son of your picture that's like you plait your hair.
Yes.
So, Sandra, do you see that?
Yeah,
And you are okay with that?
okay with that.
Wow, wow, wow. Nice one. You see, no matter who you are, no matter how, don't hide anything, your personality. There is someone here will love you for who you are. Okay, two of you get her phone number and I will start talking. Anyhow, no matter how the thing is starting building up, let me know. If you go and see the parents, I'll be there. If it's tradition, white wedding, I will be there. I'll be supporting. If you will try to support any prayer too, you understand. Okay, can you join? Okay, so I appreciate Ayomide. Congratulations to you. Sandra, congratulations to you. Thank you. Two of you can just, yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's not easy. Final. We now get some two soul that just fall in love. Let me tell you something. No matter how you look, there's your spare. There's someone will love you for who you are. Don't hide your personality. Your personality is very necessary. Thank you. Follow for more video.